Tata AIA Life Insurance Smart Income Plus. Do you want to invest to fulfill your dreams? Tata AIA Life Insurance Smart Income Plus promises to help you to achieve these dreams through a stream of guaranteed income. In this video, let us find out whether this plan helps to achieve your goals. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Tata AIA Smart Income Plus is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. Let us look into the features, benefits, advantages and disadvantages of this policy in detail. First, features. You can pay for limited years, say 7 year, 10 year or 12 year period and get a guaranteed life cover for 15 or 21 or 25 years. There is a flexibility in choosing between two benefit options. One is a regular income and the other one is an endowment option. Optional riders can be added to the base cover. Guaranteed payouts ranging from 120% to 160% of the annualized premium under the regular income option. Now let us see what are the benefits we get under the plan. First, we will look into the regular income option. Under regular income option, the survival benefit is a guaranteed payout as a percentage of annualized premium shall be payable till the maturity of the plan. For premium paying term 7 years, the income starts from the end of the 9th year and it is 120% of the annualized premium. Similarly, for 10-year premium paying term, the income starts from the end of 12th year and it is 140% of the annualized premium. For 12-year period, the income starts at the end of 14th year and it is 160% of the annualized premium. Under regular income option, the maturity benefit is a guaranteed maturity payout and it will be paid as a lump sum. It is paid along with the last installment of the regular income. For endowment option, the survival benefit is paid at the end of the policy year preceding the year of maturity and it depends on the age, gender and premium paying term. For endowment option, the maturity benefit is a minimum guaranteed sum assured and it is paid on maturity. Under both the option, the death benefit, which is sum assured on death, shall be payable as the highest of the following. 11 times of the annualized premium, 105% of the total premium paid, minimum guaranteed sum assured on maturity, and absolute amount assured to be paid on death. Now let us weigh the advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Smart Income Plus. Advantages. There is a flexibility in receiving the benefits of either lump sum or regular income. Premium paying term is limited, but the life cover is for the entire policy term. Rider options, loan facilities and tax benefits are other advantages. Disadvantages. Though all future benefits are guaranteed, they are not adjusted to inflation. The lock-in period is 2 years for surrender and loan. Now let us move on to the calculation of IRR for Tata AIA Smart Income Plus plan to see how much return we will get in this plan through a benefit illustration. Then we are going to see how much return we will get if we invest the same value in a risk-free investment or risk-oriented investment plans. This way can help us to decide whether we should buy this plan or not. Let us assume a 35-year-old male buy this plan for a premium paying term of 10 years, policy term 21 years, sum assured is 11 lakhs and the annual premium is 1 lakh. The IRR for regular income is 4.14%. For endowment option, it is 4.45%. These rates are far below the bank FD rates. The payout which you receive will be meager to meet any life goals. It is evident that Tata AIA Smart Income Plus is not favorable to investor. So investor need to look for other products for wealth creation. Let us assume a similar amount of rupees 1 lakh is split and invested in a pure term and investment products like PPF or ELSS. The sum assured for the pure term is rupees 11 lakhs and the annual premium for the same is rupees 10,000. After paying the premium for the pure term insurance policy, the balance amount of rupees 90,000 can be invested in a PPF or ELSS. All other cash flows are assumed as an endowment option in the previous illustration. Since the investment in PPF has to be done for 15 years, a minimum subscription of rupees 500 is invested in the last 5 years. The IRR for the term insurance plus PPF option is 5.58% and for term insurance and ELSS option it is 11.81%, which is a post-tax return. These investments helps to have both life cover and wealth accumulation. The return on these investment is comparatively better than Tata AIA Smart Income Plus. The return on ELS's option is an inflation beating return. Final synopsis of Tata AIA's Life Income Plus. All the benefits like survival benefit, maturity benefit, death benefit are defined and guaranteed. Investors are obsessed with the dual benefit of life protection and guaranteed maturity benefit. But the point to be noted is the return on investment of Tata AIA Smart Income Plus is not even on par with bank FD rates. Also, the life insurance coverage is inadequate. Pure term insurance offer high coverage at a low premium than these endowment policies. So, investors should get a pure term insurance policy with adequate life cover, and the investment for the future goals has to be done separately. If you would like to read a detailed review of Tata AIA Smart Income Plus, use the link in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to a financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.